Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 24th, Tuesday. Let's go over the trades. But first and foremost, let's look over the overall market real quick. So let's go ahead and pull up the chart. Let's look up SPY. So SPY obviously today did good. It did a red to green move pretty much. And it's doing pretty good. So let's look at the daily chart and see what that looks like for the day. Yeah, it seems like, it may come down tomorrow and then go back up. It kind of will do like this pattern. I'm thinking like W. So, and then consolidate and maybe take off from there. But let's see. But since we have, holidays coming up, it may be slow. So we may see a couple of red days because of that. Overall, let's see how Tesla's doing, right? Tesla has been very volatile these days. Wow, definitely broke higher highs, and it's testing 550s, right? So, yeah, I'm actually long on Tesla. I think my average is like 420. So, all right, let's go over the trades today. So today I was watching. Let's see here. I was watching FTEK. But it was very choppy. OPTT, IDEX. I got faked out again on IDEX today. SPI I was watching, but I didn't trade it just because it was a bit expensive. ENG had a good trade on. AREC failed. So yeah, and GEVO. So as you can see in the logbook, right? Let me move this over. OPTT, ENG, GEVO, IDEX. I traded. GEVO was pretty much scratch trade, right? But I'll show you like the best ones. So OPTT is something worth looking at. Let me pull up the minute chart real quick. So OPTT, I got in. Let's see. I got in. First, hold on. Let me turn off. I think it's already on mute. It's fine. So OPTT I got in at 393, and then I got out at 395 just because it was kind of looking weak, right? And I think this was around this area right here. Yeah. So I got in and it kind of sold pretty much as it came back down. I thought this may go up more higher since it kind of did a false breakout, and then I thought shorts might get squeezed out and then take off. That's why I was holding it for a break up to like 405, 410, but it came back down and I sold for like a couple pennies of profit. And then we had ENG. This was one of the best moves I had today. I got in pretty much for the break of 325. And then this inflection point was at 330. And then I sold it around like 3 something. So I got in at like 3. It took me a couple of tries, right? One, it was around 318 and it got out at 317, 18 pretty much. And then 320, I got in and I sold at 328. And then I got in again at 325 and then sold at 334. So pretty much I caught most of the moves from like this area from here to here and then from here to like here. Obviously I sold way too early, but it is what it is, right? GEVO, it's not worth showing, nothing major there. But IDEX, it kind of faked me out again today. There was a huge seller and I was looking for a break of this right here. There was a huge seller and it got broken down to like where it only had like few hundred shares left. And then I think there was just a hidden seller there. And then it just failed. So I lost about maybe $60 there. But it seems like it's trying to recover VWAP. So let's see what it does. But I'm not going to trade it because it faked me out. So other than that, I mean, today I'm up $170 today. So not bad. Just, I was up 260, but IDEX faked me out. So it's all good. Other than that, today was all right. Not too bad. I took very, obviously less round trips. So that's what I want to focus on is less round trip trades. So that way they're more quality trades, especially in times like this. When the market is, you just never know. So, yeah. So that was it from me. Just a light day. But tomorrow I'm gonna be light as well, just because Thursday we have off, and Friday the market closes on 1 o'clock. So I want to make sure I'm extra cautious and just take only A plus trades. And hopefully you guys are green as well. And always be mindful on holidays and on Fridays, right? Because on Fridays the volume could be low, and holidays in general, the volume could be low. So the patterns may not work out as much on short or on the long side. So definitely be cautious on that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for me. Hopefully you guys had a green day, and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment so I can get back to you guys. Other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow.